Ang English-Tagalog sentence translation natin today ay tungkol sa adverb na just, na sa Tagalog ay lang or lamang. Ang just ay ginagamit para ilarawan ng isang action or event na nangyari kamakailan lang. Just. That's just an excuse. That's just an excuse. Palusot lang yon. It was just a quick trip to the store. It was just a quick trip to the store. Saglit lang ako sa tindahan. It's just a stroke of luck. It's just a stroke of luck. Swerte lang yon. I'm just passing the time. I'm just passing the time. Nagpapalipas lang ako ng oras. I've just been to the bank. I've just been to the bank. Kagagaling ko lang sa bangko. This is just between you and me. This is just between you and me. Atin-atin lang to. Bago tayo magpatuloy, I'd appreciate it if you could just hit the like button for others to discover our content, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Now back to our lesson. It's just a slight inconvenience. It's just a slight inconvenience. Kaunting abala lang yon. It's just a minor misunderstanding. It's just a minor misunderstanding. Kaunting hindi pagkakaunawaan lang yon. I just had breakfast. I just had breakfast. Katatapos ko lang mag-almusal. It's just around the corner. It's just around the corner. Malapit lang yon. I just got home. I just got home. Kararating ko lang ng bahay. I just got a haircut. I just got a haircut. Kapapagupit ko lang. It's just your imagination. It's just your imagination. Imahinasyon mo lang yun. It's just a waste of time and money. It's just a waste of time and money. Aksaya lang ng oras at pera yon. I've just realized my mistake. I've just realized my mistake. Ngayon ko lang napagtanto ang pagkakamali ko. I just woke up. I just woke up. Kagigising ko lang. He has just left home. He has just left home. Kaalis niya lang ng bahay. He just graduated from college. He just graduated from college. Kagagraduate niya lang sa kolehiyo. We're just friends. We're just friends. Magkaibigan lang kami. It was just a joke. It was just a joke. Biro lang yun. They just got married. They just got married. Kakakasal lang nila. He just started his new job. He just started his new job. Kasisimula niya lang sa bago niyang trabaho. I just brush it off. I just brush it off. Binabaliwala ko na lang yon. I'm just a beginner in baking. I'm just a beginner in baking. Baguhan lang ako sa baking. We just got here. We just got here. Kararating lang namin. I just came back from vacation. I just came back from vacation. Kababalik ko lang galing ng bakasyon. It's just a little bit too spicy. It's just a little bit too spicy. Medyo maanghang lang ng kaunti. We've just started a meeting. We've just started a meeting. Kasisimula lang namin ng meeting. He has just called me. He has just called me. Katatawag niya lang sa akin. It's just a small problem. It's just a small problem. Maliit na problema lang yon. I just bought a new pair of shoes. I just bought a new pair of shoes. Kabibili ko lang ng bagong sapatos. I just changed my hairstyle. I just changed my hairstyle. Iniba ko lang ang ayos ng buhok ko. I've just spoken to Anne. I've just spoken to Anne. Kakakausap ko lang kay Anne. Just a moment. Just a moment. Sandali lang. She's just 20 years old. She's just 20 years old. 20 anyos lang siya.